Hey guys, it's India. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about edge control. We are going to be trying out the Kaniz Wonder Edge. They sent over 4 different edge controls for me to try out. All of them come in different scents. So you have a strawberry, you have a sweet peach, and 2 other scents as well. They all smell really good and the texture looks pretty similar to any other edge control. So I am starting off my day by doing my hair, doing my makeup, and getting ready to film a few videos. So I figured we can go ahead and give the edge control a try today, and we can also do a wear test. So since I'm going to be moving around a bit today, filming videos, doing all kind of stuff, I figured this would be a good day to really test out how this edge control is going to wear over time. So I'm just using a regular bristled toothbrush. You can pick these up from the dollar store, whatever, or you can use an edge brush if you prefer that. And I'm just doing what I always do to my edges, girl. I'm just using the edge control. I'm doing my little swoops. I'm using some on my actual hair because this style that I'm currently wearing is a crochet braid style with leave out in the front. If you guys have not seen this video, I will link it in the description box down below for you guys if you want to go ahead and check that out. But because I do have leave out in the front, I did want to use a little bit of the edge control like on my baby hairs, but then also on like my edges themselves to really help it to have a hold and kind of stay in place. So far this edge control is doing a really good job. I like the way that it's applying, like it's a smooth application. It smells good, like it's a nice texture. It's working really, really well so far. And I have tried out a few other edge controls in the past. My current fave, you guys may already know, is the Style Factor edge control. And when I actually opened this package, I was like, this looks really similar to that. So I was really, really excited to give it a try and see how long it's really gonna last. Because for me, the Style Factor pretty much lasts all day. So I'm really excited to see how this is gonna hold up as well. This edge control is said to be non-flaking, have 24-hour hold. It's also cruelty-free. It doesn't have any parabens, silicones, or sulfates. So after doing all my little swoops and swirls, I love to tie my edges down for at least 10 minutes, girl. I mean, if I can do 20, 30 minutes, an hour, I mean, that's even better. But I believe I left it on here for probably maybe like 20 minutes. I was able to tie it down, and I always use this same cotton scarf. It just really helps them to stay in place. And you can see once I took off that cotton scarf, you guys, look at them. I mean, like, they literally look perfect. Like, my edges look so good. I love the way the product worked. Like, it also worked really great like on my leave out to help it hold and like stay in place. So I feel like it looks really, really good. So basically I wore the edge control like the whole day. I told you guys I was going to be filming and stuff. So 8 hours later, we have the results. Okay, so let's check it out. And these are the results after 8 hours. I think this edge control helped my edges to stay in place amazingly. I highly recommend this edge control. I am definitely going to be using all 4 jars that they sent. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have ever tried out this brand of edge control, if you love it, if it's your fave. Let me know. Let us know. Okay, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out, turn your post notifications on, give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.